Yuantai Derun Steel Pipe Group was founded in the year 2002. The headquarters is located in the Daqqiuzhuang Industrial Zone. Total registered capital of 600 million yuan. Total area of 1,450 acres. Currently, it has more than 2,000 employees. Yuantai Derun is the largest manufacturer of square rectangular steel tubes in China, with over 80 technical patents. We have taken the lead in initiating, drafting, and formulating industrial standards such as square rectangular pipes for building structures, square rectangular pipes for mechanical structures, and hot-dip galvanized square rectangular pipes for structure in the industry. Yuantai Derun has the most advanced welded pipe production line in China, including 65 high-frequency welded pipe production lines, 26 hot-dip galvanized pipe production lines, 3 spiral welded pipe production lines, 6 zinc aluminum magnesium steel pipe production lines, 8 PV support production lines, and JCOE 1,420 mm double-sided submerged arc welding pipe production line, annual out capacity of 10 million tons. The steel pipe raw materials are all from well-known factories in China, such as Bao Steel, HBIS, Shan Steel, TPCO. In addition, we will also conduct strict testing on the raw materials, cut off quality issues from the source. The group has a national-level product testing laboratory certified by CNAS, chemical composition testing, yield strength testing, impact test, salt spray testing. Ensure that every steel pipe leaving the factory has 100% qualified product quality.
In order to meet customers' direct requirement, Yuantai Derun normally kept around 200,000 tons of stock.
The brand steel pipe products must need to keep up with the after-sales service. Engineer nanny-style technical support is designed to make you more confident. The price of steel pipes is greatly influenced by raw materials. So at the beginning of the establishment of the factory, we choose to be the main base of steel raw materials in the Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei region. Greatest savings in raw material costs. Secondly, reduce labor costs, produce and sell independently. Ensure direct delivery from factories and save costs. If you have a need to purchase steel hollow sections, Yuantai Derun is your unavoidable choice. The steel products of Yuantai Derun Group have passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, EU CE EN 10219, EN 10210, GIS, BV, LEED, ABS, DNV, BC1, and so on. Group has been awarded the honor of being a single champion in China's square rectangular tube manufacturing industry. Top 500 private enterprises in China. Top 500 manufacturing enterprises in China for many years. The projects of group including the Bird's Nest, Qatar World Cup, Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge, Dubai Expo 2020, Singapore Google Building, Kuwait Airport, Daxing Airport, Cairo CBD, Egypt Greenhouse Project, Hong Kong Airport, Dubai Hill. More than 6,000 world-renowned project supply experience. welcome steel pipe buyers from all over the world to inquire and order. The main products of Yuantai Derun: square steel pipe, circular steel pipe, hot dip galvanized steel pipe, and big size square pipe and round pipe, galvanized steel pipes, aerosol steel pipes, spiral welded steel pipes, ERW steel pipes, ZMA steel pipe, seamless steel pipes, ZMA steel coils, PV supports, convenient one-stop shopping for steel products.